I hope you brought your calculators.
I know I did.
Oh, Lauren, you're so smart. Up next is Griffin Lacek, here to teach us some simple math.
Before I begin, I'd just like to let everyone know that it's 40-44 in the Wisconsin-Syracuse game. Syracuse is down, or up by 4, but I believe Wisconsin. Now, I'm doing math because, as an avid viewer of Toddlers and Tiaras and the annual Miss America pageant, which Wisconsin also won, I've kind of noticed that there's no math in these. You know, you don't see Miss America doing math. So I decided to bring math to RFHS pageant. Yep. Now we'll start with 2 plus 2. That obviously equals 4. But how does that work? Well, as a math magician, I'm not able to tell you. But I can tell you that it works. You just have to believe. Now, one of my favorite problems is chew plus chew equals train. It's difficult math, but if you put it all together, you get train. Geometry. Probably the most feared subject on the face of the earth. They're always asking you to find X. The sad thing is, I think the math teachers need to go and figure out how to actually do math, because if we look, X is right there. I don't need any Pythagorean theorem to find X. So, I'm in Ms. Popelka's pre-calc class, and we're doing a lot of sine and tan and cosine. And we might run into a problem like this, so there's a few different ways to solve it, but my favorite is just to go straight at it. We cancel out the n and the 1 over n, and we cancel out the n and the sine x. The problem pretty much solves itself, because it's 6 equals 6. I mean, this is math. So now we're going to get into some math problems that deal with life. All men probably go through this in their mid-40s, but there's an equation to understand it. We take 2 kids and we add a minivan. We get a midlife crisis. For all the women who are married, even if you haven't been married 20 years, you've probably experienced this. So here's a little equation for you. 20 years of marriage plus an anniversary equals forgotten. Britney Spears is one of my favorite pop stars. I mean, hit after hit, I can't get enough. So I thought I'd dedicate a little equation to her. Britney Spears plus marriage, it's a big number, 55 hours. Tim Tebow, heck of a football player. 7 wins, playoff win, it's a miracle. But, you know, if we do an equation of Tim Tebow, we add Tim Tebow to football, and of course we get replaced by Peyton Manning. Oh, great. The Vikings. Great football team. Good football team. We had the Vikings to the Super Bowl. We get politicians are fantastic. I mean, they're always doing something fun. So we'll take politicians and we minus teleprompters. We get line, please. I don't know. Now, my final problem deals with the gentle gender. Now, women are important, and without women, our race would cease to exist. Birthdays would be completely forgotten, and color coordination would no longer be a part of our lives. So let's start off this equation, realizing that girls require time and money. But we all know that time is money. So therefore, girls are money times money, which equals money squared. And because money is the root of all evil, money equals the square root of all evil. Therefore, girls equal the square root of all evil squared.